Hello, this is the first video looking at the 2017 summer series of the AQA foundation paper. It's going to be paper 1. It's a non-calculator paper, so we expect to be using a lot of written methods for our calculations. Right, so jumping straight in, I'm going to look at multiple choice questions all together to begin with. So there's usually 4 or 5 multiple choice questions to start off with on the foundation paper. So the first one said, how many minutes are there in 3.5 hours? They put answers in here specifically to catch you out. 3.5 hours then. So the crucial bit of information you need to know in this question is that there is 1 hour is 60 minutes. And if 1 hour is 60 minutes, we can work out what 3 hours is going to be. 60 times 3, 180 minutes. So altogether, if we had 3 hours is 180 minutes, half an hour is going to be worth 30 minutes, so it's going to be 180 plus the half an hour, which would give us 210. 210 would be our answer. For question 2, a quarter plus 0.5, so this is testing your knowledge of converting fractions into decimals and vice versa. The answers that they've got are in decimals, so I would convert everything in the question into decimals. So a quarter as a decimal is 0.25, and that's something you should be able to remember, plus 0.5. You can do this one or two ways. You might know it straight away, or you might want to do a column method where we do 0.25, making sure the decimal points line up, and add those together. So we're going to have 0.75. Question 3, which of these shapes has the most sides? So we've got a hexagon. Hexagon means 6. Octagon, oct means 8. Rhombus, a rhombus is a shape like that, so that's got 4 sides. A trapezium is any shape that looks like that, and that's got 4 sides, so the one with the most sides is going to be an octagon. And the final multiple choice question at the beginning of this paper, but solve x minus 3 equals 0. So I could do it one or two ways. I might do a flowchart, so say an x and then take away 3 gives us 0. So going backwards, we want to add 3, doing the opposite to get our value of x. So x is going to be 0 plus 3, so x is going to be 3. Some people might want to do it the balancing method, where we start with x minus 3 equals 0. We're going to do the same to both sides. We're going to add 3 to both sides, so x equals 3. So x equals 3.